Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ledger in Red Dead Redemption 2. The camp ledger is a crucial item for improving your gang's base. It allows you to contribute funds and purchase essential upgrades, making your camp more functional and comfortable. Understanding when and how to access it will significantly enhance your gameplay experience as you progress through the story. To unlock the ledger, you must first complete the mission Money Lending and Other Sins I. This mission is given by Leopold Strauss and becomes available early in Chapter 2. Once you successfully finish this task, the ledger will automatically appear next to the donation box at your camp. This is your gateway to a more organized and well-equipped hideout. Once unlocked, simply walk up to the donation box in your camp and interact with the ledger. From here, you can browse and purchase various upgrades. These include improving Arthur's tent, enhancing provisions, increasing ammunition supplies, and even adding a fast travel map. Contributing funds also boosts camp morale and ensures everyone has what they need. Upgrading your camp through the ledger offers significant benefits, like unlocking fast travel from your tent, improving the quality of provisions, and ensuring a steady supply of ammunition. These enhancements make your adventures much smoother and more enjoyable. A well-maintained camp truly feels like home. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.